So Joe was in here trying to figure out what's going on. We took the cap off, and there's all moisture inside of here. I don't know if you can see that. So we're just gonna clean it out, make sure it's all dry, and then put everything back on and see if it'll go. He said crab distributors are kind of known for this, so I don't know. We'll see. Compound, that's all I use.
Insane, dude. I mean, if you really want it, if you want it shinier, I guess you could one step or two step correct it.
Yeah, I just
but then I don't know how much paint you'd have left.
Yeah, I know. I looked it up and they said that lacquer paint's very soft, so if you don't know what you're doing,
I think it was fine.
You can really mess it up.
Yeah, look at all the water on that. Hopefully that's the problem.
Oh, yeah.
Because I know when I had moisture. Remember when I drove?
How do you keep the moisture out?
It happens to my car all the time too.
Just run it all out?
Remember I told you like I was just stopped on the side of the road because there's just moisture in there.
Huh.
And then when I drove back from Trog,
yep. Oh my God.
It was a rainstorm. There was so much water in the distributor, it wouldn't even start.
See all the water in there? The water droplets? I hope you can.
Hopefully. Because this sounds like, and then I don't know what the points.
Just
Probably just pull the distributor off.
You can pull the distributor off.
Or just blow some air in it like lightly.
Well, we're not going to be able to reach there.
Really a point guy?
Well, this ain't points.
Oh, what is it?
It's electronic.
Oh, it's all electronic?
Yeah, it's electronic ignition.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought it was
no.
dual point.
Oh, Mallory. Yeah, it's might be. What is this?
It's springs in there. There's points on it.
Mallory. I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is. I didn't buy it, so.
Take a picture of it for you. We'll see what it is. I got a sun in my eye. Let me look at my picture. Let me look at my picture I took of the damn thing. That square is pointing down.
Yeah, Joe doing all the work. That's why I have him here.
No, I'm just putting a cap on. Come on.
No, I don't care. I want you to.
The kids can do this.
That's true.
I wore my dirty clothes just because I knew it was coming over here. All right. How's it? Let me see the cap. Let me look at the size.
I think I did it. I didn't hit it with the air though. Oh yes, I did. I hit it inside with the air.
Here, hold that. Just clean that piece
Oh, I didn't clean the lens at all. So. Tight fit on this distributor cap. Go Mallory. Okay, now we're getting the other one to figure out which one's which. Which wire? Yeah.
Going in all right?
Yeah, where's number 3? Right here. Oh, 3 crosses over.
Yeah, I
right?
think 3 crosses over.
That's this one.
He's been coming home with his shoes on the wrong feet. I'm like, why are your shoes on the wrong feet?
That's Shepherd.
I put them on myself.
Yeah.
Like, but nobody corrects it. Nobody corrects it?
No. Let's go for a ride.
Oh,
I touched it.
What'd you do?
Touched it. It's cold.
Cold. Don't touch it. That's what it was for me when I first got it started. When it starts, just don't touch it. But now it doesn't seem like it wants to. It's definitely better. It wasn't doing this. More free SI? Let's go.
No, just hold the gas pedal a little bit. Just get it warmed up. I don't know. See what happens. Dead.
I hate this.
Sit in it. Just give it some.
Sick. was literally fine the day before it broke.
Yeah.
Going down the street, around the town,
Yeah.
nothing. Like, we finally have a car that we can, like, use. What do you think, Big Daddy?
I think this is annoying.
So it'll idle now.
Yeah, but when you try to hit the gas at all, temp is full H. That's probably wrong. Yeah. And I want to just let it idle, but I feel like it just gets to a point and then it just bogs down and shuts off. We're gonna try something else. Oh, what's the?
This is a ballast resistor.
Well, let's look up the part number of the coil and see what, because that's a flamethrower, right?
Yeah.
It's almost most definitely internally balanced. I mean, yeah, internally regulated.
Yeah, because my electronic ignition doesn't need a ballast.
Yeah, this shouldn't need a ballast. Wait, rip it off and then.
Just see. I mean, maybe we can see what happens. But
Well, I'll look it up and I'll look up this part number and see what it says. Well, this is also not.
Need one. That's about what?
It's also very loose.
Ooh. Yeah.
Wider?
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Alright, open up the coil wire because it's very loose. That might also be the problem. So we'll try that first.
Just so you have something.
Nope. Well, I'll try to get it for the real.
You can make something from what
Yeah.
As soon as you put fuel to it, it's dead.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, so let's try that ballast thing quick.
Let's see.
It looks like this one. Mallory Unilite Distributor. Electronic ignition.
It is electronic.
I don't know. It looks like
But
it is.
no,
I don't
no,
see any
no,
points.
no. Hold on. It is an electronic because it has a condenser on it. If
So
that's-
where are the points? Down deep
they're
in there?
inside, I would think.
Yeah, let's
But
take
mine,
this thing
I don't
off,
think
though.
mine doesn't have a condenser in it, unless it's inside it. We can try to bypass this what do you call it? By just putting up. We just need a pigtail in between it, like a piece of wire or something.
Yeah, okay, yeah, he didn't know what he had, because this is not electronic ignition, it's a dual point.
Yeah.
So that's good. That's what I wanted.
Okay.
So maybe now that there's moisture in it, we have to clean the points off.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Would that
It's not a
happen,
fuel.
Trent?
It's not a fuel issue. As soon as
Is that finish?
this one's wrench is fine. I can record you.
That's very true. You know what happened to Brianna when she was in high school? The kids.
I don't know if you see anything in here, but it's still wet. There's still droplets of water in there, so I don't know what the heck that is. The weights? Oh, this is for the advance.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
But
But how do you take that off? To get down to the points. Is it this? I'm gonna take that
there
off.
you go.
Oh, it's a pin?
Yep.
I'm not popping the pin out. I can reach it in there. I look clean.
Do you want to though?
I'll blow it up. No, I don't want to. Oh.
We need to get rid of this janky wire right here. This is no good. Look at it. There's like 2 wires hanging on to the power
yeah.
to the coil.
We can just replace it, right?
You could just put a butt connector there. I'll just hold on. Just put this to here.
Yeah, okay.
You just need an eyelet.
Alright, what's this?
I don't know, like small eyelet.
Seems like a screw over there.
The best. take them out. And you can just spin it and then it'll fall in. Is that it? Yep. There it is.
Just oh.
Yeah, just get it on the brush. Assess.
I like how tight these caps are.
Wait a minute. Keep the fuel pump off. Are we 180 out now? Try it.
Oh, keep it off?
Yeah, try it now. No spark at all.
Okay. Oh. Hold on, go.
Now we got spark.
Oh yeah.
A lot of spark.
I know.
Keep the fuel pump off.
Okay.
Yeah. Nothing, huh?
We 180 out? How would we be though?
Yeah, I don't really know. No, there's only one way that can go.
Yeah, the square and the circle.
Yeah. I'm getting spark now.
Here last time.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying the inside. Now the inside is because of that. I wonder if that that adapter, you know how like on Flathead when we put that distributor on your other motor that you were messing with on the kids' party, how it has one side is like closer that way. I wonder if this adapter doesn't do that.
You have to get details.
We're idiots.
You're not idiots.
It doesn't come down to the videos anymore. We just want to get it running.
Yeah. We're at that point. I don't care anymore.
Sound like you got popcorn going on out here.
Pop!
Yeah, I think we're 180 out.
It's popping.
It's popping.
Well, is it stronger spark?
Yeah, it was definitely it was lighting up this whole thing now.
Okay.
The other one was very faint. Very faint. So
Alright.
Stay back, Kelly. Let's see what. Keep the fuel pump off because we already got enough fuel. Yeah, put the fuel pump on now.
It's cold for sure.
Yeah, it's definitely cold. But I mean, it didn't just die out.
Just let it idle.
Get the motor hot so it evaporates the water.
Come on.
Welcome to RAC Garage, where you bring your car and it dies. So we can do metal work, as in China. Oh,
Why is it doing
Get that other condenser. Let's see what it does.
Did you tell what's his name about this today? Did you talk about this at all?
To run? I put the coil on for my 8BA dual point. I mean the condenser. Who knows? Who knows if that's gonna work? Probably not. But worth a shot, right?
Give that a little cinch. Is it 5/16?
Oh my god.
How?
Was it 10 millimeter?
It's got to be 10.
Yeah, this doesn't work. Yeah. Okay, I'll try it again. Hopefully.
Maybe it is 180 out again.
We'll tell.
It just didn't want to run for us the other time on the correct setting.
Yeah.
But why would you run at 180? That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, it makes no sense.
I just turned the key on. Try it. Definitely not 180 out. It's running.
But it don't run at the same time.
Oh, wait a minute.
What's up?
Okay. Hold your foot right there. Don't move. Look at that, Jack. It's running a lot better right now. Tom.
Yeah.
But if you touch the carburetor, it will stall.
I know, that's the thing. Well, it's definitely better. Put the air cleaner back on it. Definitely sounds better. Oh, yeah, hold on.
Pry bar.
Yeah, Jacob.
Jacob.
Yeah, one of his first days here. That was my favorite screwdriver.
The long ones. Those long ones are the best.
Yeah.
It's running a lot better.
It is, and it
Check to make sure those wires are out of the way, the coil wire. I might have to zip tie something away. I moved it out of the way, and it was...
don't lift by that.
All right.
By this.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah. Because it doesn't on the brake. Just,
What?
yeah.
Yeah, just get one zip tie. Just put this to here like that,
Okay.
because just in case.
Want to rub through the coil wire?
Yeah. Tighter.
Oh, yeah.
Guy from Mad Max.
I don't know if the brakes were sticking before. I couldn't, like...
Good luck, bitches.
Maybe not.
Thanks for saying that.
Maybe not.
Oh, it's...
Promising.
This is how it was when I first got in it. It worked. Yeah, just hope we don't fucking stall out.
We're gonna be like that guy who was running from the cops in his piece of shit Mustang with no brakes,
Oh.
and he just crashed.
Oh, this says brakes, I think. Oh, wait a second. No.
Right into the highway. I mean,
is she bouncy? It's got no shocks, really. It's got those old style shit.
this thing just went off on me.
No, it's just the screen.
Is it dead? Oh.
It saves the screen.
actually driving pretty smooth right now.
It does. Alright.
Maybe we'll tell her we'll put 5 gallons of premium in her and she'll be nice.
Oh yeah, because Jacob also probably got the cheap stuff. I forgot to tell him premium.
I tried premium in my car and it doesn't.
No difference?
I mean, my car will probably run off oil anyway, but.
Yeah, it's crude oil straight from the ground.
Yeah,
this thing will run. Alright, this thing's mint.
Just buy a new condenser. Just buy another the correct condenser.
Yeah, I'll buy a condenser. They should be able to just get one at Napa, right?
Yeah, Napa has them, yeah.
AutoZone will not, right?
AutoZone, you might have a chance. I want that guy's C10. It's really nice.
Well, he likes it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the 40 running. We just took a little drive today. Kelly's practicing driving it because she doesn't know how to drive a manual transmission. So trying to give her lessons, but it's really tough for me. I'm not a good teacher. I get aggravated quickly. I'm trying. But today we're going to try and take the seat out and get that carpet out. I tried cutting it. For some reason, it's just not cutting well. So I just want to take it out, take the seat out, rip the stuff up, because it's holding a lot of moisture because the window seals are crap. It doesn't have a carpet in it anyway. It's supposed to have a rubber mat. So I'm trying to get one of those ordered, replace it with the correct thing that's supposed to be there. So rip that out, get the moldy carpet out. Maybe it'll smell better in there. So yeah, let's do that before it rains. If it starts raining, I'm gonna have to leave it alone. All that stuff.
This isn't gonna take too long, right?
No, it shouldn't take too long unless I can't like get at some of the bolts. I heard it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I got this ratchet right here, which is kind of working.
Is this on time lapse or regular?
No, regular. Oh jeez.
Are you just gonna tell me when?
Yeah, this is one of them. If I have another one of these wrenches, I can have you do the other side. Let me look. Yeah. Copy? So fast.
This will be a good collaborator.
Yeah.
Oh, cow carpets. Cow straight.
Just in case the light's on fire. Carpet. Let's see how bad the floor is when we rip this carpet up. So far, so good.
Oh!
Let's think about it. See how wet this stuff is?
Is that sound deadening?
Yeah, leave it there. Leave it there. I don't want to know what's underneath. That's not the game we're playing with this car.
No.
We're just...
It's not the BMW.
Oh, this is so wet.
It's very wet.
This is no good. Don't put carpet in your old cars. They leak.
It ain't bad though.
No. What I thought. There's a hole here, but that'll be covered up by the rubber mat. Same little hole here. It'll be covered up with the rubber mat. Oop. Alright. I gotta step up.
I put on my like
That's just the hard part.
fast strap. I'm scared to put my hand out.
Oh, let's get the brackets. It's not gonna hit your head. Alright. Oh, did I pick up those other bolts? No, they're on the carpet.
Here you go.
And the flashlight?
Oh my god.
Well, if you're gonna be a helper.
Do you want my social security number?
I know it.
That's true. Here. Travis! Sicko. Sicko grosso.
Can you see it?
I gotta be still as a statue, but yeah. Put that light back. Awesome, bud. How funny, my car's floor is fucking disgusting. This
And
one's
this is
not
from
bad.
1940,
Yeah,
and it's not too bad.
it ain't bad.
Oh, come on. Really? Well, we're getting the seat back on. Floor was pretty good. Really hard to get to these bolts because the seat doesn't like disassemble. If these side covers came off, then it would be pretty easy, but they don't. Alright, so the seat's all bolted down. I want to shorten up this choke cable. I just put this on just to have something to work the choke for now. I'd like to find something older, kind of matches it. But for right now, this works. But it's too dang long. So, I'm going to try to shorten it up. Alright, so I'm going to try to use the stock, not the stock knob, because this is, you know, blasted. Nothing left to this thing. But, the grommet that goes into the thing, I might be able to use that. So let me take this off, and I'll get back to it. That's good. Oh, that don't fit. Okay. So I see a little more. Can I drill that out? Ooh. That's tough. Maybe. Possibly. Damn it. Should have seen that coming. Okay, well, I broke this in half. Next. Sweet. Alright. That washer works. Cool. Alright, so guess let's make it. Let's go over there to the car and make this stuff work. Just put a washer here. That should be alright. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I don't know if it's correct, but it makes sense in my head. I'm going to measure how much needs to be stuck out. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to cut it and see what happens. Whatever. I'll pull it out. I'm going to pull the choke cable out 4 inches. Get it in the car, and then I'll get it to the length I need. Cut it so I can push the remainder of the inside back out. That should, yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. That will work. Let's hope I didn't just mess that up, 'cause I don't think I have a second chance with that. Alright. It's like the smallest choke cable ever. Okay, so push this back in. Boop. Let's make it say Edelbrock equipped. There we go. Now, oh, perfect. There we go. Who knew that this was the most difficult part? Alright, I just bent the end just in case this thing comes loose. I can still pull the choke. Let's see if it works. Sweet as a dream. Alright, well, that's checked off the list.